Hi beauties! For today I've got an ice queen tutorial. So I'm going to show you how I did this look. Um, First I am making my face white. That is the base where I'm beginning with, and I'm using the Paint Stick Pro palette by NYX Cosmetics. And the white is for base purpose. And I'm blending everything out with a Real Techniques beauty blender. And I'm also making my neck white and blend that out, obviously. When I'm done with that, I'm using blue for a contour. Everywhere where I normally contour is now blue instead of bronze or brown. Something different. I pick up the colors with the end of my brush and I apply it also with the end of my brush because I can be very precise like that. And don't forget your jawline. So if you can see, I'm making a tree on the side of my face. And then I'm blending everything out into the white. And you don't have to be that precise on this point because we're going in with also eyeshadows to contour the rest, but that's for later. So just stamp it on the spot itself and it will blend. I am leaving my nose like what it is right now because I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do, if I'm going to make it darker. If you think I lost my shape or it's too dark there, you can also apply white again on that spot just to create some space. I'm going in with the dark blue from the palette and I'm making more tapped underneath my cheekbone, and I'm going to blend that out, of course. And it wasn't enough, it had to be a little bit darker, so and blend it upwards. Okay, it's time to blend everything at my nose, and I want to have a highlight on my cheekbones. So I'm using the white for that and I'm just blending it in. You are getting a real light blue feel with this. So it's not white, but you've got the highlight. I'm a rhymer. Yeah. Then I'm going further with the light blue and I'm coloring my neck with that. I'm going to blend that out with the same Beauty Blender sponge. And I don't show it, but just take whatever is left on your sponge on your ears. I'm using the P.Louise Base in light blue and I'm putting it all over my eyes and I'm blending it out through the sides of my nose to give it more shape. Just very lightly, not too much. And the P.Louise base, you can use it also on your lips, and I wanted to have the same color on my lips, so this was the perfect base for that. Then I'm going in with the Morphe 35B color burst, and then with the lightest blue of the palette, followed by the dark blue. Yep, as you can see here, the dark blue color is going in. You know, normally I don't have anything with blue, but this look was really fun to do. You take the dark blue a little bit lower than you do usually, but for your ice queen it's not that weird. In the outer corners of your lips, also the dark blue, and we're going to contour with it as well. Okay, be careful because I shifted a little bit of my base there, not on this side, the other side. And forehead, of course. Then we're going to cut the crease with the P.Louise Base in light blue. It's a half cut crease, and we are applying on top of this the NYX Cosmetics glitter glue and applying the glitters on top of that, and then it will stay the whole day. These are two kinds of glitters. One is a not cosmetic glitter and the other one is the holographic glitters by NYX Cosmetics. Okay, make a few stripes on the side of your head with the glitter glue and put some glitter there. And I almost forgot to put my highlighter first. And no, I forgot it. So I did it afterwards and I swiped away a little bit of the glitter, but that doesn't matter. I'm using the white eyeliner by NYX Cosmetics for my brows and my eyelashes. The blue eye pencil is by LA Girl. I love that one very much. So after pinching my lashes, I'm making them white with the white eyeliner by NYX also. And then I bought some glitter in gel in a Euro shop, or we call it Action. And I'm coloring my neck with glitter and my chest also. It was everywhere. Gel glitter on my cheeks for more glitter effect. And my forehead. I'm trying to do a triangle there, but I needed it to be a little bit lower. Like that. Then I bought some stickers and I placed that underneath the triangle on my head. So yeah, there it is. 3 stickers, 3 sizes. And this is the final look for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. And yeah, I see you next time. Thank you. Bye.